Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily integrate and link your Google Drive to your Cloud AI account. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser. I have Chrome over here. Go to the official website, cloud.ai, and once you have successfully logged in, head over here, click on your profile icon, go to settings, then straight go here, connectors. Click on it. You will see various options. You will have most likely the calendar, Gmail, and the Google Drive. So just click on connect on the right side and you just need to select your account. Basically, you just need to confirm. And once done, in a few clicks, you will head back to this page and you will notice that your Google Drive has successfully been integrated. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.